Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPN. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Done this analysis several times before, but it's been a while since the last update. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. The first big event that happened today from the technical point of view is the price broke down below this area right here, which up until the point had been doing a good job of holding as support at 28 cents. And I bring that up because this is also now what brings about the initial key level of resistance. And this is all just based on a foundational rule and chart in which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And again, that is where the 28 cent mark comes into play. If there is any sort of attempted turnaround, 28 cents remains that key level to keep an eye on. If the price could somehow actually manage to level out and then work its way back upwards, next key overarching level of resistance would be that purple line up there, the 50-day simple moving average. Keyword being moving, so as the weeks play out, that line will continue to move itself further and further downwards. But as of right now, I'm probably getting too far ahead of myself. The price first needs to just prove itself in the near term, and again, quote unquote, prove itself. Being defined as getting up above and then staying up above that 28 cent mark, which, like I said, was a level of support going in today, but now would be considered an area of resistance. So as far as supports are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here other than the fact of where the price bounced from on the day, and that sits right there at the 16 cent mark. So 16 cents, and again, nothing fancy or complicated behind that other than the fact of that is just simply where the bleeding stopped on the day. In the event that level does not hold up, then while there is no such thing as a guarantee, it wouldn't be shocking at all to see the price potentially now drift back down to that 7 cent mark, which is the low it went back there on September 6th. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, after today, the bears are in full control. The bears have a lot of downwards pressure on it right now. But we'll see if the bulls can try to chip away and start to build some sort of higher base, or if this is just the start of a much bigger move down at the 7 cent mark. Still 3 days left this week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.